G'day, Sambo here. It is Sunday, 6th of May 2018. Look at this. I've been waiting years. Since 2014 I've been waiting for this. This is blue box. It's budding up. It will take months to bud up. But there is a lot of it in this area. That little tree there, that's a blue box. That one there, later on this year, that's going to be absolutely covered in flowers, covered in bees. And nearly all the trees down around Hop Shack are blue box. And I can't wait. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's my little piece of excitement for the day. I'll talk to you later.